If you're a health and medtech startup and really want to implement an effective regulatory program for your organization, this video might help you. Point number one, it's always about quality, not quantity. The effectiveness of your quality and compliance program is never measured by the number of policies and procedures you have. Rather, it is measured by one, the stage your startup is in, two, did you actually create the policies and procedures based on your stage of the organization, your maturity of the organization, your product, when it's going to launch, and so on. Point number two, need versus want. Of course, as a quality and compliance leader, we always want to have a dream kind of highest quality program into place where everything is controlled, everything is monitored, and so on. But is your organization there yet? The maturity of the organization, the stage of your organization, where it is, whether is it in design phase of the product, is it development phase of the product, is it manufacturing state of the product, or is it completely in the operational stage, defines how much or of effort needs to be created in terms of the framework of the regulatory efforts. Point two, proactive rather than reactive. Startups have very less budget, very less resources, and very tight timelines. So it's always important to create a framework, what we call as a compliance by design, meaning while designing the product itself, you're assessing the product, its potential risk, impact, and the data it handles, and try to create the appropriate security and privacy controls while designing the product. This is going to save a lot of time and cost for the organization, but also it brings the clarity about the product, its risk, and its impact. This compliance by design concept will bring in less amount of policies and procedures to be created going down the line. It's going to create a lean model where a small staff of a quality and compliance group can able to manage the product in an effective way, and you can able to launch the product in a much more faster way than traditionally been done. So hopefully these points are helpful for you. We'll come back next week with more points for the health and medtech startups.